Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, I'm sharing a powerful strategy to make $100 a day without spending a single dollar to get started. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone who wants to escape the 9-to-5 grind, this video is for you. We're going to break down 5 different methods that you can start using today, so buckle up because we're diving right in. First up is freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are like the stock market for skills. You've got all these businesses and entrepreneurs who need help with tasks, and you can be the one to provide that. The best part is, you don't need to be a coding whiz or a marketing guru. Are you good at writing? Boom! Offer your services as a freelance writer. Got an eye for design? Graphic design is your calling. The key here is to start with what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. Sign up for one of these platforms, create a profile that showcases your skills and experience, and start applying for jobs. Be sure to set your rates competitively, especially when you're starting out. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can start increasing your prices. The more jobs you complete and the better you perform, the more in demand you'll become. Consistency is key to reaching that $100 a day goal. If you're looking for something more laid back, try online surveys and market research. Websites like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars pay you for your opinions. They want to know what you think about products, services, and even current events. It's a great way to earn some extra dough in your spare time. Think of it as getting paid to watch TV or listen to music. While it may take a few surveys to hit that $100 mark, it's definitely achievable with a little bit of effort. Plus, who doesn't love getting rewarded for sharing their thoughts? Chapter 3. Lights, Camera, Content, Building Your Online Empire. Content creation isn't just about becoming the next big influencer, it's about sharing your passions and knowledge with the world and getting paid for it. Starting is completely free. Got a knack for explaining complex topics? Start a YouTube channel. Love to write? Blogging might be your thing. Obsessed with social media? Build a following on Instagram or TikTok. Find your niche and start creating high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your audience. As you grow your audience, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Chapter 4. One person's trash is another person's treasure. Selling unused items. We've all got stuff lying around the house that we never use. That clutter could be your ticket to making $100 a day. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Craigslist are like giant online garage sales. They make it easy to list your items, connect with potential buyers, and turn that clutter into cash. Check out what similar items are selling for. Take high-quality photos, write clear descriptions, and be upfront about the condition of your items. People are more likely to buy from sellers who are transparent and trustworthy. Be prepared to haggle a little to get the best price. Chapter 5. Affiliate Marketing. Earn while you learn. Affiliate marketing is all about getting paid to promote other people's products. You can earn commissions simply by recommending products that you love and use yourself. There are tons of affiliate programs out there like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. These platforms connect you with merchants who are looking for affiliates to promote their products. Once you've signed up for an affiliate program, you'll get access to a unique affiliate link for each product you want to promote. Share that link with your audience on your website, social media, or even in emails, and every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. The commission rates vary depending on the merchant and the product. The key to success with affiliate marketing is to be authentic and genuine in your recommendations. Focus on products that you truly believe in and that would be valuable to your audience. There you have it, 5 solid ways to make $100 a day without spending any money up front. The key to success with any of these methods is to be consistent, persistent, and patient. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more money-making strategies, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Let me know in the comments which method you're most excited to try out. I'm rooting for you.